Hey busy moms! Utility bills can sneak up on you. Here are some tips to keep them in check and save a bit more each month. Let's start with electricity. Unplug unused devices. Even when turned off, devices can use power if they're plugged in. And plugging can save you a few dollars each month. If it's time to replace an appliance, choose energy-efficient models. They might cost more upfront but save in the long run. Open curtains during the day to light your home naturally. It saves electricity and makes your home feel brighter. Now, let's talk about water. Install low-flow shower heads and faucets. They use less water without sacrificing pressure. Fix leaks as soon as you notice them. Even a small leak can waste a lot of water over time. Encourage family members to take shorter showers. It's an easy way to cut down on water use. When it comes to gas, use your heating efficiently. Wear layers at home and set your thermostat to a comfortable but not too high temperature. Check windows and doors for drafts and seal them. It keeps the heat in during winter and cool air in during summer. Monitoring your usage is key. Regularly check your utility bills for any unusual spikes. It could indicate a problem that needs fixing. If available, use a smart meter to monitor your usage. It helps you see where you can cut back. And don't forget to shop around. Utility providers often offer different rates. Compare and see if switching could save you money. Don't be afraid to call your provider and ask for a better deal or any discounts they might offer. To wrap up, remember these key points: unplug and save, use efficient fixtures, monitor your usage, and compare providers. By making a few small changes, you can keep your utility bills in check and save money for the things that matter most. Stay savvy, moms!